In this tutorial, you will learn how to upload files via the Plesk file manager. This tutorial assumes you already know how to log into Plesk. If you don't know, watch another tutorial how to log into Plesk. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, click on the Files option. On the left side of this interface, there is a list of directories. Click to open the HTTP docs directory. In the File Manager interface, there are options at the top bar that perform different tasks. Go and click on the plus sign to open the drop-down list, and then click to select the Upload File option. It opens a browser window that allows you to select files from your local machine. Click to select the file you want to upload, then click on the Open button of this window. Success! The selected file has been uploaded into the HTTP docs directory. Thank you for watching.